In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use a video's embed code efficiently. Whether you're looking to embed a video on a website, blog, or any other platform, having the know-how to locate and utilize the embed code can be a game changer. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, to ensure you have a clear and thorough understanding. First, start by navigating to your chosen video platform and select the particular video you'd like to use. You may already have this open, or it may be on your favorite video platform's search results. Once the video has loaded and is ready to play, direct your attention below the video player. This is where you'll find several useful options that we often overlook in our haste to hit play or browse comments. Next, you want to look for the Share button. This button is usually represented by a recognizable icon shaped like a paper airplane. It typically stands out, although its exact location can vary slightly based on your device or the platform's layout settings. Once you've located the Share button, go ahead and click it. This is your portal to the various sharing capabilities that the platform offers. Immediately after clicking, you should see a pop-up window emerge. This window is designed to streamline your sharing experience. Within this pop-up, you'll notice multiple tabs, each offering a different method of distributing the video. The tabs labeled Link, Embed, and Social are the most common. While the Link tab is perfect for sharing a simple URL or sending the video link to friends via social channels, our focus here is on embedding the video, so direct your attention to the Embed tab. By selecting the Embed tab, you will be presented with the embed code. This code is essential for integrating the video directly into another web page, allowing for seamless viewing without navigating away from your content. The embed code is typically a line or two of HTML, and it appears in a text box ready for copying. Click within this text box to highlight the entire code. You can now copy it to your clipboard by pressing the Control key along with the letter C on Windows, or by using the Command key along with C on a Mac. This embed code can now be inserted into the HTML of your website or blog where you'd like the video to appear. Be sure to paste it correctly within the HTML structure to ensure it displays as intended. And there you have it. The full process from finding a video, navigating to the Share button, and obtaining the embed code ready to use. Remember, embedding is a powerful tool for content creators and educators, enabling you to enrich your online presence with video content effortlessly. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher or share it with friends who might need a helping hand. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.